Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back here with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to go over, I just got my new fridge, I got my new ice maker. What do I need to worry about and what do I need to look for? Great question. First of all, make sure you got water going to it, first thing, okay? Make sure of that. Second of all, it may take it a day or two to actually cycle through correctly. What I mean by that is, from where your water comes in, to where your water goes up, to where the water goes into your ice maker, that is going to take some time. Once my refrigerator gets cold, my freezer gets the proper temperature, this machine is going to start its rotation. There's a little motor in here, okay? There's a whole bunch of sensors, and then there's this, which actually tells the temperature. Once your freezer gets below 10 degrees, this will automatically trigger, and it will start rolling around. At certain points, it says heat. At certain points, it says fill. At certain points, it says eject the ice, the whole 9 yards. It does its thing. You can't manually make this go faster. This one actually has a heater. Okay? What happens is, once it gets to a point that it's around, got the proper temperature, this is actually going to heat up enough to free your ice cubes from the tray, and then this bar is going to go around, it's going to pick them up, it's going to deposit them. Okay, that's how it functions. It may take a half a day before you start making ice, and throw away the first couple rolls of ice you get just because you don't know what's in the system. Nobody puts anything bad in the system, but a mass production, there may be a little haze on this, a little grease on this, so it doesn't rust in time. 1 or 2 rolls of ice should take care of it. This is my ice maker on, this is my ice maker off. If I've got this in the up position, I am never gonna make ice. It's never gonna make ice. I wanna make sure it's in the down position, okay? That is this style. Now, I also have this style. And like I said, different manufacturers have different ways of looking at it, but I'm gonna show you a couple different things. Now, see this here is the same thing as this here. That tells you how much ice is in the machine. Now this one actually has an on-off switch. This has no way of manually kicking it around and manually giving it a start, okay? Now, this one actually has a manual kick mode. Will actually manually start it. These two do not. This one does, so if it's in and I push this button, I'm going to manually start the process of this ice. So it's going to do what it does. It can go through, it's going to eject the ice. It is going to then refill it, okay? You may have to do this once or twice to get the water to come in once you do it originally, but don't mess with it. Let it do what it's got to do. Like I said, this is just basically a test feature. Like I said, you can test it to make sure your ice maker is, the motor's turning, it's calling for water. So if all of a sudden it stops making ice, hey, what can I do? Well, I can test this. You test this, it does this motion, and if when it gets done, you don't have any water, it wasn't calling for water. Gives you an idea to start. But this way you can actually start jumping quicker by actually pushing this button, and it'll actually manually, and don't go like this, just push it. It'll tell you how to manually do this kind of unit. It'll say push and hold, push and let go, but follow those instructions, okay? That is only for ones that actually have a manual function, okay? These two do not have a manual start function. You basically have to shut it off and turn it on, okay? And give it time. Like I said, it's not gonna have ice. You plug it in, 45 minutes after you plug it in, there's not gonna be ice in your fridge. I would not worry about it till the next day. You know, if you plug it in the morning, plug it in, before you go to bed, check on it, see if you got ice. You should have some sort of ice by the time you go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, take your ice bucket, throw out the ice, clean out your ice bucket, throw it back in, and you're good to go again. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to give us a like, and you folks have a wonderful day.